In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add swing traces in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this indicator showing up on your charts so you can start using it in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. What matters is that you're on the main chart screen. At the top of the chart, you'll see a toolbar with different options like time frames, indicators, and more. Look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the top left area of your chart, just above the price action. Go ahead and click on that. When you click on Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up. This is where all of TradingView's built-in and community indicators are listed. At the very top of this panel, you'll see a search box. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. This makes it much faster to find exactly what you want instead of scrolling through long lists. Now, in the search box, type in swing traces. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below to show anything that matches what you're entering. Be sure your spelling is correct and give it a second to load if your internet is a bit slow. Once you see swing traces appear in the list of indicators, that's the one we want to add. To add it to your chart, simply click on the swing traces result. As soon as you click it, the indicator will be applied directly to your open chart. You should see new markings or lines that highlight the swing highs and swing lows, depending on how the script is designed. If nothing appears right away, zoom out a bit or change the time frame to make sure there's enough price data on the screen. From here, you can usually customize the indicator by hovering over its name at the top of the chart and clicking on the settings icon. This is optional, but it's a great way to adjust colors, line styles, or sensitivity to match your personal trading style. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you'd like to unlock the full set of tools and a smoother experience, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully added swing traces to your TradingView Pro chart, and you're ready to start incorporating it into your technical analysis.